Do you cough frequently? Do the following. Before then, subscribe to the channel. Things needed: 1 ginger, 2 garlic, 3 honey, 4 grinder. Now do this. Don't be in a hurry. Read the instructions. Do this for 5 to 7 days every 2 weeks. Surely you will thank me later. Cure yourself before it is too late. Cure yourself before it is too late. Don't be in a hurry. Follow the instructions I drop in there and cure yourself. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe now. Subscribe for more. Thank you.